My name is Braxton Bruer, and over the last year of working part-time in Run Specialty, I've noticed a fixable flaw in the system used by many retailers around the world. Shopify, although very handy, does not have a great system in place for managing inventory and ordering new products as needed. With the latest advancements in AI, I thought, why couldn't there be an extension for businesses that with this need? Nearly every day at TC Running, customers are sent home empty-handed or left waiting on product transfers. Here, we'll sit in on one of those customer experiences. This high school athlete is looking for some new shoes to get ready for the upcoming track season. After understanding their wants and needs, I would grab the requested shoe or the best shoe for them. Unfortunately, on this visit, we did not have the shoe that they wanted in the right size. The customer, obviously frustrated, is now likely taking their business somewhere else. Situations like this happen frequently, and they directly impact both revenue and customer experience. The first thing I did when thinking about this issue was try to understand who my users would be, what they needed fixed, and whether there would be any surprising insights. The primary users of my product would be TC running managers, whose biggest pain point is having to manually dig through inventory to determine what needs to be reordered. They told me they spend hours every week reviewing stock, and none of their current tools help them predict upcoming demand or identify patterns in sales. Next, I visited with additional potential users, including store managers and field service representatives from Ultra, Brooks, Mizuno, and Adidas. These reps rely heavily on Shopify data to determine whether their accounts need replenishment, and they echoed the same frustrations. They wanted quicker insights, size and color specific forecasting, and a system that flags when something looks off. What surprised me the most was how universally they said the same thing. We don't want full automation. AI should assist us, not replace us. So with these insights, I developed my unique value proposition. This product is an AI-powered Shopify inventory assistant that prepares inventory intelligence for managers and brand reps, so they always know what to reorder, what's selling, and where gaps are forming before they even check the system. It doesn't replace decision makers, it simply gives them the information they need faster with better accuracy. Next is my unfair advantage map, comparing my solution with tools like Shopify Stocky, Zoho Inventory, Sin7 Core, Inventory Planner, and ShipBob. Most competitors either offer automation with very little intelligence or intelligence without true automation. My product would be positioned in the upper right quadrant, high automation, high intelligence, and specifically designed for footwear and specialty retail. Returning back to customer visits, nearly every manager and rep I spoke to emphasized the same must-have features: clear insights into what is running low, alerts for discrepancies between physical stock and Shopify, and forecasting tools to understand when they will likely run out of color or core sizes. They also said having a one-page AI-generated summary before walking into a store would save them significant time and make their conversations more productive. From there, I moved into defining the solution itself. My AI assistant would evaluate Shopify inventory daily, identify trends, predict upcoming stockouts, flag potential over-ordering, and prepare readable summaries for both store managers and reps. Importantly, it would only recommend reorder quantities. It wouldn't place them automatically. This gives users confidence and control, while still reducing their workload. Finally, my AI would understand key metrics to help measure success. These include the number of stores connected, the accuracy of predictions, reduction in manual inventory review time, the number of accepted reorder recommendations, and the usage rate of pre-visit summaries by brand reps. Each of these metrics ties directly back to customer pain points uncovered in discovery. To conclude, here is the lean startup canvas that guided this entire process. Each component, from customer discovery to the UVP, solution, unfair advantage, and revenue model, was built from real conversations with real users. This product would solve a meaningful, validated problem in running retail by turning an inefficient manual process into a fast, AI-driven insight machine. Thank you for listening, and I'm excited about the potential this solution has not only for Run Specialty, but for any retailer relying on Shopify and struggling with inventory accuracy and forecast.